Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. So I need to go do laundry because we do not have a washer and dryer at our apartment. Actually, we have one in the back, but it's a little bit more complicated to use. And I also wanted to go through the experience of going to do laundry in Lagos, Nigeria. So I have my clothes here that I'm going to wash. My pants and all that stuff. I have my laundry bag, and then I have my laptop bag. So that is what I'm gonna go do laundry, one bag. And I just called my Uber to come and pick me up. So I need to let security let him in so he can take me there. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon.
Or one hash to submit. Dial *346# to retrieve your NIN.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, good morning, Noah. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, can you let Mr. Anthony in, please?
All right.
Okay. All right, so I think my boat person is at the security gate, and they don't let anybody into this estate without confirming who you're coming to see. So hopefully my boats will be here in a second, and we're gonna be on our way. I think that's him over there. Yep, I see a car pulling in. Everywhere we go, Yawadi. Oh, good morning. All right, guys, so it's time to go do laundry. I think our car is here, and I'll see you guys at the laundry place. Peace. Oh. We're ready to go. So, I've never been here before. So how does it work? So there's no time for anybody. Oh, no question. Okay. So how do you do it? Okay. Okay, one machine, just the machine. Oh, for one machine, one driver. Okay, alright, so I'll let you. Yeah, I just want one flush. Okay, alright. You guys have Wi-Fi here. Okay, alright. How long do you think it will take for it to be ready?
Like 9 minutes. 15 minutes to work.
Okay. And is this the time? How much time is left?
There is a washing. So it's like after that washing, they're washing.
Okay, what about the one that's open?
So they're not working.
Oh, they're not open. Okay. Alright guys, so I just got to the laundry house. Initially we went to one location, the place looked sketchy, and then we went to another location and they don't open till 12 noon. And now I'm at the third location here. They're open, but all the laundry machines are taken. So I have to wait till the two people are in there washing or done. So it seems like the cost is 1,005, which is 1,500 naira to wash one load and dry that one load. So that's roughly about maybe $4 for that. And then if you want to buy a soap to use for your load, it's an extra 150 naira. So about like, 50 cents or something like that. So now I'm just gonna wait till one opens up, and then I'm gonna go wash. And it seems like you pay the people that are in the front desk. You don't actually pay the actual machine. But nevertheless, this is gonna be a fun experience. She said it's gonna take roughly 25 minutes to wash, and then like another 20 minutes to dry. Typically, I usually find a place that has a washer and a dryer, but this time we had to compromise based on price and finding something that was in a great location that we really loved, that had all the amenities. We've usually had somebody pick up our laundry or we drop it off, but I wanted to go through the experience of going to a Laundromart in Lagos, Nigeria. So here we are. Alright, so I finally have my clothes in the laundry. It's gonna take 30 minutes, so I am going to go walk the streets of Lagos and see if I can get a snack. Follow me, guys. I got my laundry done.